The Sigma FPL2 marks a significant step forward in compact full-frame cameras, combining high-resolution imaging with a modular, lightweight build. Sigma's focus on innovation is clear, catering to both photographers and videographers who value adaptability and creative freedom. With customizable features and robust connectivity, the FPL2 stands apart from traditional systems, offering versatility for a range of creative scenarios. Let's explore how its design and usability contribute to this experience. Continuing with its reputation for portability, the camera showcases a sleek, modern design that merges style and practicality. Its compact form factor ensures easy transport, while the sturdy construction provides durability and a comfortable grip. Thoughtful ergonomics, intuitive button placement, and a streamlined interface make navigation and adjustments straightforward for users at any skill level. Now, let's delve into the sensor technology and its impact on image quality. Central to the Sigma FPL2 is its advanced sensor, delivering outstanding image quality with high resolution and dynamic range. This enables sharp, detailed images and balanced exposures, even in challenging lighting. Accurate color reproduction produces lifelike results, and strong low-light capabilities allow for clear, noise-free captures. These sensor strengths support both still photography and video, empowering creative expression in diverse scenarios. The autofocus system is designed for speed and precision, ensuring reliable subject tracking for both photos and video. Enhanced continuous shooting rates let users capture fast-moving scenes, while smooth autofocus transitions result in professional-looking footage. Customizable controls and settings make it easy to adapt quickly, streamlining the workflow for creators. This efficiency pairs well with the camera's robust video features. For filmmakers, the FPL2 offers versatile video capabilities, including support for multiple codecs and recording formats to suit different production needs. The option for external recording adds flexibility, allowing integration with advanced workflows and external devices. Consistent frame rates and accurate colors ensure quality footage in both studio and field environments, making the camera a dependable partner for creative video projects. Practical features such as connectivity, battery life, and storage are crucial for daily use. The FPL2 provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote control, while its battery performance supports longer shooting sessions. Expandable storage options mean you can keep working without interruption. These elements enhance reliability and user experience, making the camera suitable for a variety of professional and personal applications. Comparing the Sigma FPL2 to its competitors, its compact and modular design offers customization that sets it apart. Improvements in autofocus speed and image processing distinguish it from previous Sigma models, though battery life and lens selection could still be improved. While some rival cameras feature more advanced tracking and broader ecosystems, the FPL2 remains a compelling choice for those who value flexibility and a unique creative workflow. With high-resolution imaging, fast autofocus, and a durable build, the Sigma FPL2 appeals to serious enthusiasts and professionals. Its intuitive controls and versatile shooting modes support a wide range of creative pursuits. However, the higher price and battery life may be limiting for some users, especially during extended shoots. Those seeking performance and reliability will appreciate this camera, while casual users might prefer lighter or more affordable alternatives. To sum up, the Sigma FPL2 excels with its innovative design and versatile performance, making it a standout option for creators who prioritize flexibility and image quality. Its advanced sensor, modular system, and thoughtful engineering set it apart in today's market. If you've used this camera or have thoughts to share, please leave a comment below. Your feedback helps build a vibrant community of passionate photographers and videographers.